Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry Turquoise and today is part 4 of the Construct the Outline video series. I will leave all the links on the cards up above me somewhere. And go watch part 1, 2, and 3 before you watch this one, because today's video is scene writing. So basically you write, for people that don't know what scene writing is, you write your scenes instead of your chapter. Which you can still write your chapters, just each chapter will have a certain amount of scenes. So basically, when you have your plot outline done, you have your characters made, you have your world built, then now you can start writing your story and start writing your scenes per scene. So basically, now you can put your scenes in the novel from the introduction scene to the action scene to the end scene and every scene between. I am just reading my notes that I wrote down to help me not get anything mixed up. And here, if you're wondering what I am looking at constantly, so the introduction scene, which is the introduction of the main character, main villain, the main conflict, to the action scene, whatever your action is. It could be a fight scene, it could be a kidnapping scene, it could be bringing back the dead scene, to the ending scene where they would either live all happily ever after, or a cliffhanger, or something. And then everything in between with side plots, main plot, emotions, conflict, and all that fun jazz. And if you're a heavy plotter, some authors do this. If you already know what your characters are going to say, add that to your outline. So basically, if you're one of those heavy plotters, then you can add, if you're a heavy plotter and like to have what your characters are going to say per words, add that to your outline. And basically, once you're done your outline, you are now ready to write your first draft. So basically, once you have your scenes, characters, and everything ready, you expand on the scenes with chapters, or if it's going to be a short story, expand your scenes on the emotions, conflict, the side plots, more emotions, the 5 senses, dialogue, and all that put together, and you should have yourself a complete story. So there will be times where you suffer from time gaps or writer's block. That is perfectly normal. I will do a video on what writer blocks is and how to solve that problem and how to fix it. But for now, if you are suffering through that, look at your outline. That might help you to create a spark of interest, or just take a short break at this moment. That's all I can really recommend. And then I will do a video on that later on. And for those of you that do outline, if you change something, don't forget to update your outline so that way that is included, because when you are done your first draft and you're re-looking your outline and notice that you added some stuff but it's not on the outline, you might get a little confused and then you might start questioning yourself. So to help you on that, to get less confused, is add it onto the outline and keep it up to date. Don't need to know everything about your characters. Yes, it is nice. Oh man. Yes, it is nice to know everything about your characters, from their backstory to their age, favorite food, drinks, and so forth. Don't get me wrong, you don't need that, but at the exact same time, it is nice to know that. If you think you need that, then by all means, that on the information of your characters. Just need enough to get you going in your novel, enough information that you can visualize the character and know what their goals and personalities and all that. You can add more information to your characters to help you out to visualize them even better if you want more information about them. Now, if you do, going back to the writer's block, if you do hit it and the break and looking at your outline does not help, research. I will go into more details again about the writer's block and what will help in another video that will be coming up later on. And of course, instincts. If your instincts are telling you to write something else instead of what your outline is going, go by your gut instinct. 9 out of 10, your gut instinct is right. It is very, very rare that your gut instinct is wrong. Always go by your gut instinct. And that's a clue with stories. If your gut instinct is, let's say you have 2 stories you want to write. One's a romance, one's a horror. I know, very different genres. I will do a video on different genres and what they are in an upcoming video. But just bear with me right now. And let's say your gut instinct is telling you to write a romance. But you are more into, you're leaning towards the horror because that is where you're most inspired. Yes, go by what you are inspired, but also go by your gut instinct because you might actually enjoy writing the romance book a little bit more than the horror one. I know it's not the best example, but that's the best way I can describe it. But basically, if you are writing a romance story, let's say, and as you're writing, your instincts tell you to change something up. So, 9 out of 10 again, your instinct is right. Go by your instinct. Because your instincts will not lead you wrong normally. For example, let's say your instincts tell you to have the main character meet their soulmate at a coffee shop, but you want them to meet at a party. Go by your gut instinct and have them meet at the coffee shop. Not the best examples, but you get the idea. And no 2 outlines will ever be the same. So basically, if you write a romance story one way, and then you decide to write it another way, those 2 stories will not be the same. The conflict might be the same-ish, or the storyline might sound similar, but they won't be the same, just like no snowflakes are the same. Or not one snowflake looks like the other snowflake. Every snowflake is different. So that is it on scene writing. I will do a computer screen on that one just to help everyone out to see what I am talking about. And for the people that are high visual learners. And that is the end of constructing a plot. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that like button and leave a comment down below of how you outline. What is your way of outlining, or if you're a pantser, let me know down in the comments as well. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified of all my posts, because I post once a week. And I do a live stream once a week, and I sprinkle extra videos every so often. So click that bell icon to get notified of all my posts. And follow me on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter. Leave a comment down below or message me on either or account. Let me know what else you'd like me to post for upcoming videos. So this way it's more catered to you guys and whatever else you like to learn. And thank you for watching, and remember, stay true to yourself and stay unique, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!